Hey, John, this is Nick. We talked briefly on Friday. I actually grew up in Cicero and spent 30 plus years in the Chicagoland area. What I'm sending you here is a 5 minute website audit because I know you're looking to rank for certain keywords and stuff, but I want to show you where you're at right now, kind of where you're starting with. Would love to work with you, but let's look at a couple things here, okay? Got to your site. Um, it's okay. It's not great. Your signs are much better than your site. Um, Typically, Google likes 2,000 words or more on a homepage. What it's all about is you having the content and the expertise. So Google sees you as more credible than someone else and puts your site for certain keywords at the top of a search. So this right here should really be on this homepage about 2,000 words. And what it comes out to when I did a word counter here, you can tell it's about 267. So we need to add more content to your site. Okay? Something over here. See the images? Google doesn't read the images, but it reads behind them. You should save these images as keywords. And you can tell here they're just saved as random pictures. Okay. Phone number. We're looking for the phone number. Remember, a lot of these people are coming in on a cell phone. So here we are. You've got set up, click to call. That's perfect. Look at the rest of your pages. There are a couple others, though. There was one that really concerned about everything here. We've got to put this into content. We've got to put these all into breakout content and then use some things called backlinks and whatnot to link back to them because this won't go. So let me show you something real quick. When we look up business signs in Northern Illinois, for example, this is the map pack. We'll go to that in a minute. But number one here is this Best Illinois Sign Company. So let's look at kind of what you've got going on with keywords versus what they're doing, okay? So here's your site. Great name. We're looking at 19 referring domains. These are backlinks. Backlinks are links from other sites that are credible, typically in the same industry, and they're votes. They help along with content. Okay. Let's look at your keywords though. 233 keywords. You're ranking a little bit for your own word, but the problem is you're not even getting one hit on it because you're in the ninth position and you've sunk four, so you're getting worse. Neon repair near me. This is one of your bigger ones. 250 volume. You're in position 20. You've dropped four again. You're not getting anyone. You're not getting anyone to your site that puts neon repair to me. This tool is about $600 a month, Ahrefs, and it does in live time basically what's going on. So we can look at some other stuff as well as we look down here. We go replacement sign faces. Now let's look at that other company, the Apex one, the one that's getting all the business. And hold on one second, I made a mistake. Let me grab it. Grab their site. Go here. So what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing their website real quick. But you can see what they do is similar to what you do. So now let's go here. Let's throw them in. And this is kind of where you want to be, right? This is the person who's in the number one spot starting to get some traffic. Okay, I'll do one other thing real quick. Go back. Okay, there we go. Usually I'll polish these things up, but I'm just throwing this together for you. We've talked a little bit already, but let's take a look at it. Okay. Outdoor retail signage. Okay. 150 volume. And this is as it relates to your geographic area, right? Northern Chicagoland, South Wisconsin, whatever. But 150 volume, they're getting 23 visits to their site off of that because they're in the second position. And they're working on it. They're up 5. Apex signs. Now, yes, this makes sense that they're getting hits and traffic for their name. However, you could do something with your website, which is called on-site SEO, and use their name to help you drive traffic. But again, they're getting traffic. They're getting people coming in. Look at this. Here, 9 is for retail outdoor, LED. This is what you want to do. So in order to end up doing that, what we want to look at is, and I'll let you go here in a second, we start with what backlinks they're looking at, what backlinks they're using. So let's take a look at that. They've got a lot, see? 190 with 101.9. It's a lot. And these are the sites, and we can go into them and see what links they're having and try to copy those links for ourselves. But you see what type of traffic they're getting? 200 site visits a month. 5% even convert. What is that? 10 jobs? It's huge. So, and then again with yours, as we look at this, let's do newglowsigns.com. Anyway, there's no clicks. So this is really where you want to start to be. So we would have to essentially first with your site, clean up a lot of this, get ready to put in a bunch of content, and then start to build the backlinks. So that's what you need to do. I mean, your budget's in line. You can do this for really 1,200 a month, give or take a little bit. I mean, your signs are great. The problem is the site isn't. And again, see, save image as, that's not bad, but people aren't typing in that keyword. We'd be happy to help you out. You've got a great site. Hell, I'll even fly out there and sit down with you. I got to go back to back home anyway. So there you go. Under 6 minutes. John, let me know if you have questions. 541-420-8430. Thanks. Bye.